Greetings from Källtorpsjön, Källtorp Lake out in Nacka, on this wild nudist beach here that is not so easily accessible. You need to hike a bit from the Norra Källtorpsbadet there in the distance, and I can see also Ude, the other nudist beach spot that I visited earlier this year. So this is out in the Nacka Nature Reserve, and it looks quite stunning indeed, despite being cloudy right now. To get here it took me 9 kilometers of bicycle ride and then some hike of around maybe 1 kilometer or something, which is a bit tricky with the bike, but it works fine out in this nature. And it is Beach Adventures with Chris and beach day number 115 on the Sweden Beach Adventures this year, on this 8th. We have quite a warm day despite the view is not telling that. We have 23 degrees Celsius in the air and in the lake, the same temperature as the air. So very nice and warm lake. I see some people there on the public beach taking a swim because it's quite nice to take a swim here in this lake. And yes, it is then time for action once again. And I see an island here, Stora Holmen, that it might be good if I can swim over there to show you how it looks from close by. So yep, Beach Adventures with Chris from Nacka with my gravel bike, and I'm ready to show you this place. It's been a while actually I have visited Källtorp because I have been mostly exploring the sea, but I will be coming back here in autumn for sure. And there are some people now on the island with clothes, but I think they got in there with a sup stand-up board, indeed. Right, so the lake doesn't look that see-through, but it's super clean. It's a type of dystrophic lake, so that's why it has this color, but believe me, it is super clean and safe to swim. I have been swimming here in this lake many times, and the quality is also being measured very often by Hellas Gordon. There is a nice sauna with beach also on the other side. Right, then let's get going and take a swim to Stora Holmen, this island over there, here from this wild nudist beach in Nacka, Stockholm. Let's then get going. Maybe I shouldn't have opened the eyes. It looked a bit brownish, but it's because of the material that the lake was founded on. It's a natural lake, this one, and it's quite nice indeed. Look at my view for this swim. Isn't it spectacular? Amazing. So as I mentioned, this spot is close to Norra Källtorpsbadet, a public beach that has a nice jetty that got renovated actually this year, and we have Ude, a nudist beach over there, and there are some other beach spots on the other side of the lake, and there is one more nudist beach around those cliffs over there. Quite amazing, right? Indeed. And on this lake there are many people that are training for a triathlon actually, and there are also swim run competitions here that are being held. People are running in the forest and then swim in the lake. Maybe it is 100 meters from the shore to this island, Stora Holmen. And now I realize that from this side you can't go up because it's cliffy. I may need to go from the other side. So I just might as well touch the island and go back. But let me show you more of this beautiful nature here in Nacka. Amazing. Okay, here we have one sign that says from 1st of April to 15th of July the entry is forbidden because of bird protection. Let me get a close by to the sign. Fågelskydd, protection of birds. But now we are in August, so it is allowed to go in. Not that I will go in anyway. Alright, I'm now on the island, technically. Yeah, there's a sign. So yes, Stora Holmen. This is, I'm standing now on this cliffy edge, right here, on the island of Stora Holmen. Not sure if I will be able to go up because it will be difficult to go down. But maybe next time I will try to go from the other side and show you. But it's very tiny. This is basically the whole of the island. So yes, then you can see now the nudist beach spot in the forest in full. So that's amazing. Alright, let's wrap up because this turned out to be a very long episode. So I'm gonna swim back now and enjoy a bit more. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Källtorp Wild Nudist Beach here on Källtorp's Lake. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!